Now that we have gone over the different settings that you can customize for Impulse, I'll explain more about the interface and the data that's presented when you click. So right now, I'm going to do a few clicks and then deactivate Impulse with my hotkey so that I can explain a little bit about the interface. First thing you'll see when Impulse is detected as a left click, for example, is this. It'll say Impulse left down click detected. That means that the software detected a left click from your nervous system and sent a left click signal to your operating system. Second is mouse left click detected. So if you have clicked your mouse physically, you'll see this come up. Basically, it's a software saying, okay, the mouse click happened after the impulse click was detected. The final thing that you'll see is the lead, the impulse time lead. This is how much faster impulse was compared to the mouse for that specific click. Just like your natural reaction time when using a conventional mouse varies click to click, the reaction time improvement you'll get from impulse will vary click to click. So for this click, left click, it was 35 milliseconds faster. For the following one, it was 44 milliseconds, 36, 26, so on. So you will be able to see in real time whether impulse detected your click or not, and use that feedback to improve the ease with which you activate the muscles in your hand to send the software the right kinds of signals that it's looking for. If you find that you're still not able to get your clicks detected by impulse, try going back to the calibration process and then coming back through testing again. As I mentioned in the previous video, it'll be a bit of a back and forth process your first time in order to learn how to initiate those signals consistently. For some users, they're able to activate impulse through the learning process without even having to click. So as you can see, I'm lightly twitching the muscles for my left click, but I'm not actually physically clicking the mouse. And as you can see in the left here, we get the impulse left down click detected. That is, impulse is detected that we want to press the mouse. And then after that, impulse left up click detected. So it's detected that we are trying to release the button. And it's doing that without actually physically pressing the mouse. So again, just with the activation of the muscles in my hand. This will take some practice to be able to do proficiently. Some users still prefer to always click with the mouse, while others prefer to activate it just with the muscle signals. And now you can see I'm doing a right click without actually clicking. There I'm clicking. So now you can see that I'm doing right click without actually clicking. I'm going to use the hotkey again that I enabled, which is the equals sign, to disable impulse. And now it's off. You can see I'm getting no activation of impulse while it's turned off. And that's it. When you're here, you're ready to jump into a game and start playing with impulse. I recommend, as you're learning to use impulse, that you try some training arenas and first-person shooters in non-competitive environments to learn how to activate those signals, learn how to use it in game, and better understand how your behaviors in game can influence the signals. For example, if you're playing really tense, you may get more false positives. Whereas if you're playing more relaxed, you're better able to control the activation of the muscles in your hand. You'll get better performance. That'll come with learning through directly playing a game and not just from using impulse in the software. So good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team on our Discord, and our developers and executive team will be happy to help you one-on-one with any problems you might be having. Thank you, and have fun.